Keeping tenants happy involves much more than simply offering a well-presented flat or villa. It is about creating an environment where they feel safe, comfortable, and genuinely cared for throughout their tenancy. One often underestimated factor in tenant satisfaction is consistent, well-organized property maintenance. A dripping tap left unattended, a frequently malfunctioning elevator, or a spreading patch of mold can quickly sour a tenant's experience. This video explores practical and effective ways to manage property maintenance that will keep your tenants satisfied through every season. 1. Create a proactive annual maintenance schedule. The key to preventing tenant complaints lies in addressing issues before they arise. An annual maintenance schedule becomes your essential tool for this. Plan monthly maintenance activities covering plumbing, electrical systems, air conditioning, pest control, and water tanks. For instance, arrange air conditioner servicing before summer, gutter cleaning ahead of the monsoon, and geyser checks before winter arrives. Anticipating seasonal requirements and dealing with them early not only demonstrates your commitment to tenant comfort, but also reduces emergency repairs and unexpected costs. 2. Conduct routine quarterly property inspections. While annual servicing covers major systems, quarterly inspections are critical for monitoring day-to-day wear and tear. Check frequently used items such as taps, locks, windows, fans, drains, and electrical outlets in detail every 3 months. Either carry out the inspections yourself or assign a trusted property manager to do so. Encourage tenants to report minor issues early so they can be resolved promptly, preventing larger problems down the line. 3. Ensure rapid response to maintenance requests. Delays in addressing maintenance problems frustrate tenants and can lead to dissatisfaction. Even small issues like a faulty flush or flickering light need swift attention. Establish clear response times, such as acknowledging requests within 24 hours and resolving them within 72 hours. Use accessible communication channels like WhatsApp, email, or a dedicated maintenance platform. Efficient response times build trust and demonstrate professionalism in property management. 4. Establish a dependable network of service professionals. Having reliable electricians, plumbers, carpenters, pest control experts, and appliance technicians on call is crucial for smooth maintenance management. Don't wait for emergencies to find skilled professionals. Build ongoing relationships with trusted service providers familiar with your properties and expectations. For larger or premium properties, consider annual maintenance contracts to ensure priority support and predictable costs. 5. Maintain clear and friendly communication with tenants. Tenants appreciate transparency, especially when maintenance work might disrupt their routine. Always inform tenants ahead of time about scheduled maintenance like water tank cleaning or plumbing repairs. Clearly explain what work will take place, when and how long it is expected to last. If delays occur, communicate honestly and promptly. Tenants are generally understanding when they feel respected and kept in the loop. 6. Care for common areas as extensions of living spaces. In apartment buildings or gated communities, the upkeep of shared spaces reflects overall property management quality. Keep lobbies, corridors, staircases, parking areas, terraces, and gardens clean, well-lit, and well-maintained. Regular cleaning, pest control, repainting, and lighting checks should be part of your maintenance routine. When tenants enjoy pleasant common areas, it enhances their comfort and pride in their home environment. 7. Upgrade fixtures and amenities when needed. Maintenance isn't only about fixing what's broken. It also means recognizing when updates will improve tenant experience. Practical upgrades such as energy-efficient lighting, modern taps, modular kitchen fittings, or improved switches can make a big difference. These enhancements show tenants that you invest in quality and comfort without necessarily spending lavishly. 8. Prepare your property for monsoon challenges. Monsoon season presents specific maintenance challenges, including water seepage, roof leaks, damp walls, and blocked drains, especially in cities like Bengaluru. Before the rains arrive, inspect drainage systems, waterproof terraces and balconies, and check window seals. Install rain guards where necessary, and trim overhanging trees to avoid damage. Sharing a monsoon preparedness checklist with tenants helps them understand precautions and cooperate during this season. 9. Respect tenant privacy during maintenance activities. Even necessary maintenance must be carried out considerately. Schedule repairs at times convenient for tenants, provide ample notice, and ensure that workers are polite and trustworthy. Tenants should never feel their privacy is compromised. When possible, share service personnel identification beforehand and follow up after maintenance to confirm tenant satisfaction. 10. Collect tenant feedback after major repairs. Improving your maintenance process depends heavily on tenant feedback. After any significant repair or service, ask tenants about their experience. Were the response time satisfactory? Was the technician professional? Was the issue fully resolved? Use this information to enhance your service quality, replace unreliable vendors, or improve communication. Demonstrating that you value tenant opinion strengthens your reputation as a responsible landlord. Bonus tip: use property management software to simplify maintenance. Managing multiple properties or remote landlord responsibilities can make manual tracking impractical. Property management software can streamline everything by allowing tenants to submit requests, track progress, and receive updates in real time. Landlords benefit from dashboards, reminders, maintenance histories, and vendor contacts all in one place. A well-maintained property not only retains its market value, but also cultivates tenant loyalty, reduces turnover, and boosts your standing as a reliable landlord. Consistency in small but essential maintenance tasks throughout the year is what makes all the difference. Start implementing these strategies today to elevate your property management. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert real estate advice. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. We'd love to hear from you.